Hi, I'm Sherry in Canada. Welcome to my Listen and Repeat series where I help you with problem sounds. Today's lesson is about the ah sound, often represented by the letter A. For example, in these words, hat, bat, bad, afternoon. Listen and repeat. Hat, bad, afternoon. Listen to this sentence and repeat slowly. First, listen. I had a bad headache in the afternoon. Now repeat after me. I had a bad headache in the afternoon. Let's repeat a little faster. So listen and repeat. I had a bad headache in the afternoon. I had a bad headache in the afternoon. All right, have a good day.